Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So I will put this one that is about capital 8. So in here, they repeat the same of capital 8. So we need to transform this one into capital 8. And this value in here equals to the value of 8. Now, the interpretation of 2s, that is about s squared. And we put the powers from number 1 to 8. So this one I will put in here. Number 1 go in here. So this one I will put on the left. And now we can find the value of 8. That is about number 1 plus the square root of number 5 over number 2. And 8 equals to number 1 minus the square root of number 5 over number 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.